today we're going to be having a look at Maestro Union's Shute Doji Demon figure. Now, I was excited to get this figure in the mail. I got it about a week ago, and as you can tell, we got a lot of videos coming out, so we're going to do our best to crank out as much and as quality as we can get. First off, this is in a beautiful package. This looks like something you could drop off a two-story building and it's going to be fine. Well, exactly how to get into it. Apparently they don't want you to get into it. There we go. Like how it says on the back of it, motionless statue. Then it says highly articulated. Look at this guy. Now you'll understand why I wanted to do this outside. I wanted as much natural light as possible. It's got box art on the inside of the box. I'll take some photos, but let's see if you can see that. That is on the inside of the box. That is some quality stuff right there. Apparently comes with a big old packet. Let's see right here. What's this? Oh, these are cards. I'll make sure to shoot a photo of each one of these cards. And the excellent artwork. Pretty much, I believe maybe everything he comes with, because he's got a bunch of weapons here. That is a nice little bonus right there. Huh? Oh, here is your instructions. This is written in a very humorous fashion. It loses its translation in English, so long story short, I can break very easily if you do not heat me up. I will break. I will break. Weapons stick together. Other items. Oh, just in case I wasn't close. I was too close to it. You can pause that and you want to read that. If you want to translate it yourself, just go to Google Translate and you won't have a single problem. Some of us grew up with this as a language, so like I said, this is it's funnier without the translation. So what do we got here? First thing I'm going to pull out. Look at that helmet. Wow, look at that. This is so heavily detailed. I'm going to make sure I take a lot of good outdoor photos so that you can see how beautiful this thing actually is. So I'm going to do this video a little differently. By getting up to the camera, because usually I have my beautiful camera woman Leslie here, but she's out on a walk with the kids and I decided to stay home because I had some editing to do on an upcoming book, and this is just a little bit of a break time. Okay, so what are we doing here? Okay. It's tied down. So we're going to go ahead and speed this along. Oh yeah, somebody wasn't joking when they used a twist tie on this. It's like 3 feet of twist tie. What am I dealing with here? Oh yeah, here we go. I'm going to come right back. I'm going to cut that clean off. In case you were curious about how long the twist tie was, there it is. Stands bigger than the figure. This might be my biggest twist tie I've ever untied. It was tied, wrapped around, and then looped through. So I'm sure you guys are on the edge of your seat with that one. So here we go. This is a great looking figure so far. Look at the detail in this. Again, I'm going to take some high quality sunlight photos It's got amazing wash all over him. Mouth is not articulated. This is a double jointed character. Wait, is it? Yep, no, it is. It is. Movement is very smooth. Now, I didn't have to boil him up, but it's probably roughly 80 degrees out, and I made sure he was outside for a while. That doesn't mean I'm going to put a lot of extra stress on him. This is his extra head, but I can't really see why you would want that head over this one. Oh, I guess that would be in case you wanted this. There we go. Let's see what we have for accessories. His shoes come off too, by the way. He's a bit heavy. He doesn't really I wouldn't put this guy on a shelf without a figure stand. There we go. Okay, I just had his knee bent wrong. Let's see what we have for accessories. Now, for a bigger figure, normally you get 2 trays of accessories, but this is a little light on it, but I'm not going to complain. Holy shit. Just like on 3PO, too many damn hands. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 extra sets of hands. So he's got a total of 12 altogether. I like his banner. So let's get this stuff out of the tray. He's got a giant, I believe it's called a crudgel, but I'm not really sure when it's that big. Then he comes with a giant sword with a human skull with bound eyes. It is it's fairly flexible, so it doesn't, you're not going to snap this. Yeah, it's just flexible. Not as flexible as a McFarlane, but it's got a little give to it. Remember, this also comes apart. This will play into something later. He's got his little beads. So if this guy is slightly bigger than a human, then these are skulls of children. Unless this guy's a 12-foot guy, and then these are skulls of regular humans. So let's just say regular humans. We got the banisters. Due to the sloppy work on it, they actually don't translate to anything. Let's see. Real metal chain. And what do we got? We have snatch you up hands. Left pointy finger. Left item holding hand. Left item holding hand, slightly extended fingers. Right holding hand. We have a right and left punchy hand. We have a right and left deeper, well, not a looser, snatch you up by the scruff of your neck hand. So you got the real close to grabbing you and coming to get you. And that is basically everything he comes with. Again, because this is such a highly detailed figure, and I don't want to pad the runtime too much by going on. He's got decent articulation. He's got he doesn't have the ab crunch. He does crunch a little bit in the ab, but you're not going to see it. He's got that diaphragm crunch. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to photograph the hell out of this because I really just don't think you're going to be able to see it. I would hate to shoot the video and you just don't see it the way I see it. So let me put him out in the... I'll be honest with you guys, I can't even see the camera. So again, I'm going to take the photos. I think that's where the beauty of this figure will ultimately shine. He does have soft goods. They feel really nice. The cloth on the pants are just beautiful. They look weathered where they should be weathered. Uh, it just it's oh man, I can't say enough nice things about this figure. So right there, we're gonna conclude the video. Thanks for watching Slade on Slade. Up next are going to be the photos. I just wanted to make this nice and quick, and this is definitely for me at least, this is definitely a must buy. I love demons. I love Japanese folklore. So this is really pretty, man. There's no part of this figure that's not painted. This is beautiful. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, especially if there's any way you see that I might be able to do something better, or if I've missed anything.